Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 for VideoTab. So I made a video on or a tutorial on VideoTab on how we can turn long form videos into shorts, blog posts, and social media clips. This one I'm going to do a more in-depth version. Well, not more in depth. It's actually going to be a lot shorter than that video, but basically I'm going to take this video here and I'm going to turn this into a blog post, and then I'm going to actually upload it to my website just to show you how that workflow looks like. So I'm going to click on this, and what you want to do is you want to actually copy. So what you want to copy the video, the URL, and what you want to do is once you go to VideoTab, you want to add video, and if it's already uploaded to YouTube, then you can click on just YouTube, and you can also claim the videos or choose the videos from your actual channel, or you can just paste it in. So I'm just going to paste it in, and then you click on add video, and it's going to take that video and it's going to process the video. And so once you start processing it, you can actually save it to a folder and you do that. I already did that process because it does take some time, especially if it's a longer video. So I'm going to go back to my videos and I'm going to go to the folder that I saved it on. And I believe it is this one here, which is 35 minutes long. I'm going to go here. And as you can see, once you upload a video, it gives you some information such as the chapters, description, tags, summary. You can also look at the clips the shortened clips that it gives you as well. But what I'm really interested in is the content portion. So remember, if I go to dashboard, it's still saying 949. It's 949 words, which is a decent amount. So I'm going to go to content, and this is the actual blog post. So what I really want to do before I get it ready to publish on the website, I want to make sure that everything looks good here. If I have to add screenshots, I can add screenshots. So I'm just going to quickly just zoom over and just to see if I have anything interesting to add. So I know that Strikeco is not, it's actually spelled like this, and I'm just going to type Strikeco here just to see if it has anything else, any other mentions of that. And then you can see, so let's go here, test one, and then I can look for where I sort of did that test one. So maybe I'll just take a screenshot there. So I'll add that screenshot, and then let's quickly go over. I think it's really nice the way it breaks it down. Like if you take a look at it, hello everybody, today we'll be running an AI. Like it really takes that language, my tone. And then I did mention this earlier in the video. So it really breaks down the video into as close to how I normally talk as possible. Let's look at that. Initial results and the winner, test two, and it has a quote here as well. Initial results, test three. So I really like the output so far. Keyword strategy. Let's look at anything. Scroll down to see if we can add anything here. Key takeaways. And then let me maybe add something from that ending here. Majority of it's just this one software, so I don't know if I can add any other endings there. So I'm not going to add anything. So I think this looks pretty good. The only thing I would say is I would probably take the tags out because I don't think that's important. And there's no comments as well. And I'm going to just delete this portion. And I'm just going to copy this and add it right under. And I'll get rid of that. So now I think it's ready to export. What I'm going to do is you can also download it as an HTML, markdown, plain text. You can rewrite it as well or regenerate it. So I wonder if I can, if you rewrite it, you can add custom instructions and you can also just automatically regenerate it. You can share this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on export blog post and I'm going to copy HTML. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically I'm going to look for the latest blog post that I have published on my website. And I'm just going to duplicate this because I know this article is very similar to the one it's just basically a video to blog post. And so I want to go here and I'm going to click on edit. And what I want to do here is I want to first replace the video. So I'm going to click on this, click on that, and then replace the video. And what I'll quickly just do is take the description box here, and I'm just going to copy this part. Again, I would spend a lot more time on this, but yeah. I'm just gonna do that. Background. Oh, sorry. So now I'm gonna delete all this under, and I'm gonna delete all that. And what I'm gonna do now is, sorry, get rid of the heading, delete. Okay, and I'm just gonna copy HTML, and I'm gonna paste that. And so now the whole blog post is pasted on this. I'm gonna update the title, so you can get rid of that and update that here, and just get rid of this here, delete. And so since I already have an introduction, I'm gonna actually get rid of this part because I already have an introduction right here. And then it goes through the whole post, and it looks pretty good to me now. The final thing I will do is basically I can a meta description would make sense here. So let's go back to the meta description, meta title here. So I'm just gonna update the meta title, and I'm just gonna be like something like AI Showdown, which LLM is the best model in 2024. And for description, I'm gonna go back up and just do something very I'll just copy and paste from here. So we'll be running in AI. So let's copy that. Again, this is not best practice. Don't be too critical here. I think if I were to actually create a blog post like a proper one, I would spend some more time on this. So just copying that. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically copy this part here. And I'm going to add that as the excerpt. And I think it looks good now to publish. The only thing I would do is just replace the image to the one that I built for this. So I have a bunch of videos. So I think it's this one here. And I'm just going to publish that. And you want to make sure you have the alt text, which is already there. I'm going to set featured image. And then I'm going to change the category to tool review instead of processes. And then I think it's ready. Now we'll click on publish. And just give it a second while it publishes. And now that it's ready to publish, I'll go to the actual blog post. And now I have a video that I published on YouTube, and I turned it into a blog post with all this information. The only thing I just noticed is that the caption here, so for the video caption. So I'm gonna go back here, and here where it says right under the video, you have to wait until the video loads. For some reason it's not loading. Okay, my YouTube video on comparing the best LLM models. Update that. And now if I just refresh it, okay, now we got a full-fledged blog post based on my video, and I think it's pretty good. For our first test, we tasked the AI models with optimizing a 6,000-word blog post draft for SEO. Here were the criteria we used for judging the optimization: effective use of keywords, improvement of readability, inclusion of etc., etc. And then we got all the tests: so email marketing campaign content, writing a case study. Test 4, keyword strategy. Test 5, project plan for a new website. Wrapping up, final score or final score tally. Claude 3.5 Sonnet with 2 points, and GPT-4o with 3 points, and Gemini 1.5 Pro with 1 point. And then key takeaways, and stay connected. That's that. Like, I mean, took me less than 10 minutes to actually create a blog post from a YouTube video, 1,000 words. It is unique. It has a personal touch, personal experience. And if I want to make it better, I can just spend a little bit more time just adding my own twist, my own copy that I want to add, and just make it better. But without me doing much, I have a full-fledged blog post that I can easily share. And I think the quality is pretty good as well. So a definite win for anyone who wants to use VideoTab. I think this is a very powerful feature that people are almost not aware of, I guess. But yeah, until next time, thank you and take care. Bye.